Welcome back everybody to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. My name is Vitaly Dobinin, and as you can see right now, the prices of crypto is rising. Bitcoin on the rise, Ethereum on the rise, 5.5%. Pretty much the entire market today is in the green, and that is because Bitcoin is going higher right now on a daily. You can see we have formed ever since mid-June a very nice kind of exponentially growing momentum on the upside, creating higher lows and higher lows. And right now we have a very interesting time when we are breaking out of this EMA ribbon, and that can lead to potentially some good appreciation of the prices in the short term, like we have seen, for example, right here back in September 2021 when we on a daily went above the EMA ribbon. Of course, we need some more confirmation. We have some resistance right here as well with this trend line that I plotted it for you right here on the daily, this falling wedge, but we may easily break through this falling wedge, get a confirmation, continue to the $28,000, $29,000 massive resistance point right here, which will not be easy to break. But we are not quite there yet, and right now what we're seeing on a weekly basis that we are essentially above the 200 weekly moving average. That line right here, 200 weekly moving average, the blue one, we are right now above it. So we broke it, above it, we confirmed, and now we are breaking above it. So this is a good thing for the bulls, for sure, because previously market has held very strong support for the 200 week moving average. It never broke below. Even if it broke below, it was quickly bought up, like we've seen in March 2020 with the coronavirus. So we are back above the 200 week moving average, and you can see how more we can grow for Bitcoin. There is so much room for Bitcoin to go up. We didn't even begin to scratch the surface for what's to come for the months and years ahead for Bitcoin. So this is just the beginning. Ethereum also in the rise. It rise to $1,815 today, creating a new high that we have not seen for a very long time, ever since pretty much 10th of June. So 2 months high essentially. And you can see right now that we may be facing some resistance right now. Maybe it is a little bit of a rally because people are excited in Ethereum right now, especially with the merge to the proof of stake network, when finally, after many years of work, proof of work will go to proof of stake. People can earn money every month, every year, just by staking Ethereum on the Ethereum 2.0 staking platform, right? So that's exciting times, and of course Ethereum will go to become deflationary. Well, more than 90% of the issuance is going to be gone, like 90% gone. No more issue, 90%. So Ethereum will become deflationary, which means every year there'll be a burning, much more burning of Ethereum than issuing Ethereum to the proof of stake rewards. So that's the definition of ultra sound money, when we have just slightly less every year, less and less and less. So Ethereum can be that Apple of cryptocurrency. All the innovation that we've seen in crypto started from Ethereum team. Yeah, so that's very nice to see. And the community right now is united to the transition of the proof of stake blockchain. Now you can see that right now there are some Ethereum forks bubbling up, which Vitalik Buterin is playing down the impact of any hard forks. I mean, there is one prominent Chinese miner, Chandler Gua, proposed a hard fork. So even as Ethereum undergoes the merge on September 19th and becomes validated by stakers, miners could continue to support a newly separate proof of work version of the chain. So the question is, if you are going to support the fork for Ethereum, why not why not go with the Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic, number 19 crypto with a market cap of $5 billion, 5.7 billion. Why would you opt for a new proof? They call it ETHW, so Ethereum proof of work. So the majority of the community are quite united, according to Vitalik Buterin, yeah, the founder of Ethereum. Pretty much everyone in the Ethereum ecosystem is supportive of the move to proof of stake, validation, and quite united. The searches for bear market rally has been increasing recently, just like we have in 2020 and 2008, right? Like a lot of people kind of believe or cautious because they are seeing this type of a rally that we have going on right now in the market, and like, okay, well, that's just a bear market relief rally. I mean, yes, we rise for some weeks now, but we're going to have a major rejection and we're going to continue with another one leg further. Now, I personally do not agree with that, and I think Ethereum is going to lead the way with this not happening, with this positive news, with the merge. Now, of course, we can have a scenario where buy the rumors, sell the news type of thing, when essentially people are, with the merge, they're going to be like dumping Ethereum because yes, it's happened. And then, Ethereum rises and then dumps. But we still have 1 month to go to the official merge. So the month started, so we can easily go this month. We can easily go, and looking at the beautiful monthly candles right here, if Ethereum is going to close the month above $1,950, that's going to be very bullish, and hopefully Ethereum will go next month in September to 2,300. So let's see how this candle will close in 23 days from now. If we're going to close above $1,950, that will be very bullish for Ethereum indeed. And the next month will be the actual fork. Not fork, the merge. The merge from proof of stake to proof of work. Not everyone is positive. You can see Galaxy Digital, huge crypto hedge fund, second quarter net loss more than triples to $554.7 million loss. Of course, this is because of the Terra Luna collapse, Three Arrow Capital bankruptcy, and a lot of companies that are struggling, selling on, in the last couple of months. And we have SoftBank that posted massive $23.4 billion net loss, second straight quarter in the red. That's a massive company, massive fund, Japanese investment major SoftBank Group. I just wanted to point it out, $23.4 billion loss. So as you can see, guys, some entities are quite hurting in this recent turnouts of the events. The number of cryptocurrency ATMs installed worldwide surpasses 39,000. I don't know if you have used Bitcoin ATM machine. I definitely use it, being in Singapore, being in Latvia. I've used it a couple times in different areas. They work, and they become more and more. So we're going for that adoption. We're going for it. We're not stopping anytime soon. And by the way, Chainlink ditches the Ethereum POW forex for POS after the merge. So Chainlink, which is the biggest oracle that connects with all of these different applications on all these different blockchains and provide the prices of Ethereum, etc., and other coins. So Chainlink is for the merge of proof of stake and not any kind of proof of work forks. Okay, and for those of you who participate and understand the blockchain, layer one blockchain that was born, Ultron, with ULX coin, the current price is sitting at 3 cents exactly, which is 300% higher than the initial price of 1 cent that I've been sharing for the last couple months. and congratulations for everyone that take advantage of it and got for 1 cent, because right now we are at 3 cents, which is 300%, and very, very nice. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day.